Hey everybody, this is Dustin and Dave and Adam, your RV specialists. So the guys are actually doing a roof replacement, and let's see, again, we found a little bitty hole that big that caused all this damage right here. And the guys are actually pulling and tearing this membrane off. So look at all that dry rot. That came from one little spot in that membrane. So people always ask, hey, these membranes, how hard, they're glued on there pretty good. So when you start seeing weird stuff underneath of them, and things that are going on, or things that are like getting wavy or lifted, that's why. Oh wait, the door's open right there. Well, at least it went down on the ground. But anyways, that's just to give you an idea of how much dry rot was caused just by one little area. Hey Dave, would you mind doing just to tear a little spot right here back? Just to, just so people can see. So when this is glued on there, to come back that way with it so they can see how hard it is to remove it. So here's Adam cutting it over here. And so as you can see, when you're pulling it up, it's glued down, really good. And see how well it's glued down that it's even casing. Oh, I was gonna say let me have that piece, but never mind.
You want to look at it?
No, it's okay. I'll do it later. But just to show you that we're having to physically yank and pull to get that membrane off. And then if you see over here, kind of crazy looking. If you see that baby powder there, that's the little secret sauce, right? So this glue never dries. This glue could be on here, 10, 20 years old, Dave, and it's still sticky as all heck.
Yeah.
So basically that glue, it's made to expand and contract, and it never really dries. His hand was almost stuck on it. Yeah, you can see it sticking to his hand, lifting it up. So, but when you're walking up here, like if you're walking with your shoes on or your knee pads, it'll stick to them, and you'll pull your knee pad right off, or you'll pull your shoe right off. So they go and do a really thin coat of baby powder on top of the surface so that they don't stick while they're working on it. And so also as they're peeling it off, all this debris that's here doesn't get on that new surface. And so they, even though they're going to be changing out the wood sheeting, it just makes it a lot simpler process for them so that they don't stick and that it's less time consuming. So anyways, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is actually on was it a 2021? Was it a 2020? No, it was a 19, wasn't it? What year? Okay, so anyways, it's on a Grand Design Solitude, and he's going to double check what year it is. But, talking about, back to the sidewall seams, you see how all that dirt is getting past that molding, but yet, sorry, I don't mean to be so wiggly-woggly with you, but down here it's not so bad. That's because there's no putty tape behind the actual molding. So Dave, in a minute, is actually getting ready to go over there and change that mold, or to clean the molding. He's going to prep it up for later. And then as you can see Adam up here ripping and pulling. So you see, it's a pretty good force. How many pounds of pressure would you say, Adam, it takes to yank that up?
I don't know. Three Ooga-Doogas.
Yeah, but it's not easy though, right?
No.
You're having to yank it, so. Oh, 2020?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
It's on me.
Yep. So when you're worried about, when you see like a ripple in the roof or an area and you think, oh my gosh, the wind's going to get underneath there, it can, and we have had those happen to a lot of the front caps for different reasons. But, for the most part, these roofs are glued down really well. The only issue that we ever see is we see sometimes that they're overglued, and so it'll look all wavy and wrinkly, and that's where all the chipboards got so glued down that it's actually coming loose and spreading back up and showing that sign. Or you'll get up there and push on the roof and it's all wrinkly. A lot of the times too, people ask, like this one happened to be glued all the way out to the tape. Sometimes they won't glue them back very far, so you'll see a lifting area on the sides that travel all the way down the side. And it just depends upon the manufacturer. when we put the glue out, we're coming all the way out to the edges. So it's just something that we do. That way there's no, nothing lifts up and there's no bubbling or anything on there. So, okay, well, stay tuned for more. Again, this is a full roof replacement on a 2020 Grand Design Solitude. Thanks so much for watching.